welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie with the Y. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes. So for today's video, we are doing a collective haul. Very long overdue, but as a mom, you already know what time I be running on, her time, whenever she gives me time. So I did lots of shopping with Shein, however you pronounce it. Ego Official, Miss Lola, and Lorvae. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. If you don't know, Lorvae is Diarra's, I was gonna say clothing line, but glasses line. Girl, it just came from my pre-order 2 days ago. We will be looking down. I will be looking down at my notepad because that's where most of my notes are, because we're trying to just speed out. We got this cute zebra print skirt. Zebra with like a pop of color, or zebra with like any basic outfit has been trending lately, and so I could say I have been influenced to get this for sure. Fits like a glove. Honestly, I am so happy with the sizing, the feel, the stretch of this. As you can see, oh, she's stretchy for sure. So then we got a two-piece setter, a two-piece. These are supposed to be like the Skims kind of version, right? And I'm really trying to get outfits that force me to show my body a little bit more, you know, a little hoochie, because body positivity. I gotta remind myself sometimes that I'm really that girl. This is super comfortable, very stretchy, as I like, and for the price, obviously not bad. Quality could be better. It's super thin. Next up, we have the solid tie front crop top in the color white. And honestly, when I first looked at this, I'm like, why is you so big? It's not gonna fit or what? And honestly, it fit really good. And this is honestly another favorite piece of mine. I just love the flare of the arms. I love how it opens like that, super elegant and pretty and girly and cute, just the way I love. And I got this in size M, US 6. I had to get my baby girl something, obviously. It's not all about me, unfortunately. So we had to get this. It has to match me. Like, stop playing with me. You already knew that I was going to get something to match me. And it's so soft. Like, girl, if I didn't know any better, I would say this came from a different website, because it's just really good quality, which I am more than happy about, because when it comes to my daughter, she gotta have the best of the best. It feels almost like a fake suede. And lastly, we got this brown little cute dress for her. Oh, we gotta wear this before it gets cold again. And then this brown dress, this is size 90. It's just cute little ruffles, super stretchy. The feel, don't really like, but I think that's just how it's supposed to be. This is also super thin, but there is like a double layer at the dress part at the bottom, so she's not gonna be exposed. Is US 2Y. She's I don't want to say she's bigger than kids her size, but because I've met others who are similar to her size, but she a little chunky monkey. I know you see her thighs and the cheeks. Okay, so next up, we got the bags. I got two from Shein. This is the first one. This is called the mini snakeskin princess shell bag. Super cute, because I had this one top that's like a dark green, but I didn't want to do like a Bottega dupe or Bottega bag, because I just feel like I see so much of those and it's kind of pissing me off. They're dumb cute, don't get me wrong. So I decided to get the snakeskin because I feel like it can go with lots of pop-up color outfits that I decide to do. I don't know, I'm just feeling like the animal print now. I think this is the perfect size. I love mini bags, even though they're not really convenient, but it forces me not to bring my whole life in it. And yeah. And if you want to know like the size of it, let's see. This is my Fenty, this is my Fenty Fat Water, and if I put it standing up, it literally almost makes it. Is this the same size as my Teffy? As reference, if that helps y'all. So it's a little bit taller, but definitely not as thick, I think. Are there any pockets? No, it's just plain leather inside. Next up, we have this bag. This is called the Mini Tassel Decor Floral Graphic Crossbody. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, when I first seen it, I was just like, this don't look like the picture. But then I looked at the picture and I was just like, yeah, it does look like the picture. But I just don't like these at the bottom because I just feel like it's cuter without it. But it could still be a vibe, but I'm not convinced until I wear it yet. So, we'll see. And I did see a girl from TikTok have a similar bag or this bag, and it just looks so cute, like to die for. So I was just like, I have to get it. I have to get it. And the material is like crochet, like the yarn. So it's super cute. I love it. Kinda. It's funny how I didn't want the Bottega-ish bag, but then I got the Bottega-ish shoe. But this is just really because I needed some type of slides because I forgot mine at my girl's place. And so this was just super cute, simple, white, goes with almost anything. Do I like them? Yes. Are they comfortable? For the first few hours. But am I going to keep them for long? No, because I can already tell I don't like the way it looks on my foot. Okay, my feet are pretty wide. So keep in mind that this gets pretty skinny, gets kind of thin. So if you have white feet or you just know your feet don't look good in like things like this, then don't get it. For me, with my wide feet, shouldn't have gotten it. But like I said, I needed something quick. And baby girl's asleep, so if the volume's a little low, you already know what it is. And 2, yes, I did change my lip combo because I just ate. Anyways, so our next accessory is this cute bag. I almost forgot I got this, but how could I forget? This is one of my favorite bags that I got from Shein. Bae said it looks like a mop, but I don't care. This is super cute. Obviously influenced from a TikTok. Comes with the gold hardware, just like that. Super plain, you know. Doesn't seem like you can fit much in here, but I mean, we really just got it because it looks dumb cute. And it's pink. If you don't like pink, something's wrong with you, just saying. Alrighty guys, so I'm doing this view just so I can show you guys what the rings look like. And after the discount, this was only about $1 and some change, $1.70. So yeah, but I'm just not gonna get my hopes up because I always struggle with accessories, especially rings that fit me. Look at my brother's fat ass fingers and they fit his. Oh, I'm a hater. Fashion girlies. But another struggle of it not fitting. And the last set of bracelets that I bought is this one. They all came together like this, and this is called the 7-piece textured metal bracelet. Oh, these are a 5 actually. So this is a different angle of the bracelets, and they stay for the most part. But yeah, I could just intertwine them together and I already look good. Alrighty, so we have the necklace on. This is what it looks like, and I honestly really like this. I've always wanted to do like that kind of layered look, and so this just does it for me. Also for Shein, their shipping took about 5 days. I ordered on the 22nd, arrived 27th. So the total of everything from Shein was $96 and some change, and I lied. I looked at my order confirmation. It says express shipping. It did take 5 days for express shipping, and so yeah, they just know when I need to shop. So yeah, and I love Miss Lola. If you live in Cali, you can also just go and pick it up the same day. The first set of rings that I got is this one. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm not going to try them on because you already know. But some of these do fit because it's from sizes 6 to 8, depending on which ring you use. And yeah, I think it's just super cute with just like the splash of color with the white, the teal, or is that aqua. The second pair, I'll just show you guys also a photo of these because my fingers will not do you justice. I did pay $31.55 and I was right. So it was buy one, get one free. Yes, for free. Okay, if it's for free, it's for me. And it did take a total of 7 days to get to me. Not bad. Love it. It's very beautiful. Something you can wear almost day to day. I feel like Miss Lola never disappoints. Their quality is always on point. So alrighty guys, so next up we got Skims. We got a few pieces from when they did their biannual sale, whatever. So unfortunately, that means everything is final sale. I'm gonna start off with the undergarments, and I had bought two. I say had because I lost one temporarily. It's somewhere in my room or my laundry. So I had got the sculpting mid-waist thong in onyx, and also the sculpting mid-waist brief in onyx. This is the thong. Obviously I tried it on and tried not to show a little too much, but I really like it. Except I feel like it's still a little, the size is off, which is annoying because I've ordered undergarments like underwear from Skims before and it was way too small, but that's because I ordered it in small slash medium. So when I had returned it, they told me, yeah, you should size up. So that's what I did for the biannual sale, and it still seems small. And as you can see in the video, yeah, my butt looks nice. Yeah, it slims the waist a little, but it keeps rolling. And most shaper wear that I have or own, they usually have the silicone strip on the inside. So I'm not sure why Skims doesn't have that. It's kind of annoying because it's just gonna fold and roll down, and that's just uncomfortable. I'm not trying to deal with that when I'm out and about and dressed to be impressed. Dressed to impress. Yes. Oh yeah, that's a no for me. I wish I had skipped that. And even though I don't have it in the video to show you guys, the other one, the mid-waist briefs, same issue. And that one does have a silicone lining. So girl, no, just don't do it. If anything, do the Shaper Mint. I got a discount code for you if you do. This is the Essential Mock Neck long sleeve bodysuit in camo. Yeah, I don't really know if I like it. The colors kind of throw me off, but I remember getting this color specifically to go with some Yeezys that have been sitting in my closet for about a year now. And so it's like, I don't really like the color, but it might go really well with the way I have this outfit planned in my head. So we'll see if I end up liking this after I wear it. If not, and I wear it once, she going on my Depop. I have an account, but I have yet to actually upload things on there. So if you are interested in seeing whatever doesn't fit on there, definitely follow me. I'll have that in my bio so that you can hit your girl up if you need to buy like a bundle of makeup for like the Lola. I'm really just trying to get rid of everything. So anyways, this is cool. I love the quality. As you can see, I look expensive and I'm not even dressed, okay? The quality is very nice. You gotta give Skims that. They always come through with the quality. Don't really know what happened with the sleeve. I know it's supposed to be like that, like frayed, kind of natural thingy thing, whatever you call it. I don't like it. It's okay, but I'm not really a huge fan of that. Great stretch, love it. And like I said, the color, I'm not sure. Obviously, I had to save the best for last, which is this cotton jersey t-shirt bodysuit in color rose clay. Guys, this right here is literally my favorite. I already wore it. And she looks good. She looks great. She feels comfortable, nice and stretchy, quality on point. But I think what sold me is the color. I'm such a pink girl, clearly. And it's just like a very cute muted pink. Yeah, I didn't know I loved rose clay this much, but I do. And so I'm happy that I tried this out. It is a bodysuit. No complaints. Best purchase versus everything else. So yeah. And I just can't believe that I paid $78 for this though. I must have had a good paycheck that week because what the fuck. Alrighty, so on to the next. We got Eagle Official. Love them. I usually order just shoes from them. So this time around I got a bag, 2 bags, and a pair of shoes. So let's get into it. Oh wow, she's vibrant. This is mad flimsy. What? So on the inside. Oh, okay. Okay. We attach the gold chain. This is what it looks like. This is what it's giving. And then the next one. I am the most hype about because it's a dupe of a very popular bag already. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Obviously, this is the dupe for the Balenciaga bag. This is so cute. Like, I literally think it's almost just like it. You would never really know that it's not. It has the heart-shaped mirror, which I love. I think it's so cute. Has the attached wallet. Obviously, you know, the studs and the hooks and everything that makes it look just like the Balenciaga bag. And you can obviously have it longer or adjust it so that it is shorter. Yeah, I'm just so excited about this bag. Can't wait to start rocking it. And it's white, so it'll go with everything. I was really contemplating on getting a white and a different color, but I was just like, okay, I got mad bags, let me not force it. And I didn't know about the quality, and so yeah, so far absolutely love. And then the last item that we got from Ego Official are these shoes. I'm not gonna wear them right now because my tools is not done, but I'm gonna insert a picture of what they look like, and let's just take a quick peek look into the box, actually, because the box was a little banged up, so I just want to see what they look like.
Oh, hell no!
Thank God we're opening everything today, because what's going on? What's happening, Ego? At first, I thought I was tripping. I was like, oh, maybe platform heels are like, you know, supposed to be attached after. I don't know why, but I've never ordered platform shoes before, so that was my first instinct, and so yeah. Shout out my nigga Ego for sending me that refund immediately. Love y'all. See y'all soon. Also, this is the Lorvae glasses that I ordered. If you want the full unboxing, follow me on TikTok. And we have made it! Y'all, I don't think I've had a collective haul this big. I lied, maybe, but this is why I don't be shopping often, because it's just a little too much. When I was calculating everything, like $500? What? When I like something, I like something. I don't really care about the price, which is not really a good thing. So yeah, anyways, out of everything, out of the rings, jewelry, hats, purses, broken shoes, sunglasses, I know there's at least one thing that you love, so let me know down below what you're getting or what you're interested in. Another note, don't forget to follow me on Depop, because I will be getting rid of some things that you saw or didn't see, such as makeup, because I gotta get rid of shit. I really hope you guys enjoyed and loved this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because it helps your girl out, and I would highly appreciate it. Now I'm just like talking way too fast and my brain can't keep up, so I am logging out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.